Yes, dear students, in this video again I am going to discuss you some more application of centripetal force. Number one, motion of planets. Motion of planets around sun. You know, every planet moves around the sun nearly in circular path according to Newton. So, if the sun here and a planet here, this planet requires centripetal force. Planet requires centripetal force. So, who will provide centripetal force to this planet or any planet? To force of attraction between sun and earth provides necessary centripetal force. Actually, the planet and sun both attract each other. The attraction of sun on planet provides centripetal force, and same force applied by planet on sun. But then you can say that why does not the sun move? Actually, sun is very massive in comparison to planets. You know, nearly 99% mass of solar system lies in the sun itself. 99, more than 99% mass of solar system lies in the sun. So that way. So this is one example. Second, in atomic theory, Bohr theory, you have learned that electrons revolve around the sun. Motion of electrons around nucleus. So that here the nucleus and electron revolve around circular path. It also needs centripetal force. The force of attraction due to positive charge of nucleus. Positive charge of nucleus and negative charge of electron provide necessary centripetal force. Provide necessary centripetal force. I have told you in one more video that when you are traveling in a bus and you are standing, and suppose bus takes a turn toward left, then you are also moving on circular path with the bus. Bus continuously keep on taking turn towards left. Then your body needs centripetal force. So what do? You press the wall of the bus. Reaction of wall providing a centripetal force. I will discuss numerical also based on this. That's why I am again telling you all things. Now, in some people are confused with centripetal force and they call it centrifugal. So reaction of centripetal force क्या होगा? Reaction of centripetal. Third law, centripetal force. Reaction. According to Newton's third law, to every action there is always equal and opposite reaction. Suppose we are rotating a stone tied to the hand. Here is your hand. हमारे हाथ से पकड़ी हुई है, तो tension in the string. When you pull it inward, to central force, tension in the string outward, our hand pull it inward, the force applied by our hand to pick up the string fixed is one force, and central force provide tension is another force. So that provide necessary centripetal force. To every action there is always equal and opposite reaction. ठीक है भाई? तो रिएक्शनरी फोर्स जो है वो सेंट्रीफ्यूगल नहीं है. रिएक्शन ऑफ सेंट्रीपिटल इज नॉट सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स. आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर टू यू. Our hand exerts centripetal force inward while tensioning with the reactionary force of centripetal. Now similarly, in circus, very important, in circus there is a device death well, हिंदी में मौत का उपयोग करते हैं. साइक्लिस्ट मूव, डेथ वेल स्फेरिकल होता है, ही कैन मूव लाइक दिस. साइक्लिस्ट हियर है भाई, वो यहाँ भी होता है, यहाँ भी चारों तरफ मिलता है. तो वॉल ऑफ द वेल प्रोवाइड सेंट्रल फोर्स while the cyclist press the wall outward. So reaction of the force applied by cycle which is outward, and again I am telling that force act itself because of moment of, because inertia motion can try to keep the cyclist straight. That is why the cyclist press the wall, and reaction of the wall provide necessary central force. So these are some applications based on centripetal force. Please read book also very carefully. You may have some confusion, so it will become clear. But we should have in mind all concept. Please don't say it is beyond syllabus. Centripetal force is in syllabus, and any question based on central force may be asked in any exam. In one exam, in class 12, there was a question based on de Broglie wave. Actually, de Broglie wave, actually electron is small, and there is one device called electron microscope. So electron microscope is an application of de Broglie wave. And there is one term, resolving power, ability of instrument to show separate images of object placed very close to each other. आपने देखा होगा जब दूर ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, दो ऑब्जेक्ट को लगता है एक ही जगह है, लेकिन जब पास जाते हैं अलग अलग दिखते हैं. तो एबिलिटी ऑफ ऑप्टिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट to form separate images of two closely placed objects is called resolving power. Our telescope, microscope have a limit of resolution. The resolving power of telescope has limit due to wavelength of light, which vary from 4000 angstrom to 7000 angstrom. Wavelength of light vary this, and de Broglie wave has range of certain 0.1 angstrom order or less than this. So wave, if we use shorter wavelength, we get higher resolution power. तो क्वेश्चन सिंपली ये था कि resolving power of electron microscope is higher than optical or low. So people were surprised why electron microscope has been asked. It is an application of deep Broglie wave, deep matter wave जिन्हें कहते हैं. तो वो सब हमें घूमना पड़ेगा चारों तरफ. तो आप ये बार बार मत दोष दिया करो सिलेबस से बाहर है. It is out of syllabus. This is wrong. So in next video I will be solving numerical from different books, and a big number of numericals will be there in the coming videos.